Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a supply and demand drawing using Google Drawing and then save it into Laulima Forums and Microsoft Word. So first of all, let's go to Google Drawings. You go to Google Gmail, go up here to Google Drive, go to New, click on More, and there's Google Drawings. And now we can draw a supply and demand. So let's draw a line. Here is a line. Now I can make it different widths if I want to. I can make that thicker if I want to. Boom. Text box, price, then click. Text box again, quantity, click. And then I can make other lines for our supply curve. Make it thicker. Always got to click. Don't know where that's coming from, but I always just delete that. Click. And this is demand. Click. Click. And then I can do equilibrium as well by just creating lines. Make everything 2 points. I can make it dashed. I can do the same thing here. 2 points. Dashed. And then I can call this equilibrium. I could even, if I wish, signify a point, make that small, and move it, whoa. There we go. Okay, bullseye. Make that equilibrium. And then I can label this if I wanted to, and label that if I wish. Let's title this So High Demand, and it's existing in my drive. So I could share the link, and you do that by going to under the share button. I oftentimes like to change this to anyone. And then if I want to have them just view it, I would just do can view, or if I want them to edit, they can edit. But since I'm sharing and don't necessarily want to edit, I would just do view. So copy this link and we're done. Now for your purposes, I would most likely download as a JPEG image. Okay, there's my JPEG image. And okay. But I have a JPEG image already on the dashboard. Let's go like this. And Laulima. And let's say I want to take that image and put it in a forum. Go into my class. Go under resources. And I always have something called images. I would click on upload and move it into images right here. Continue. And then go up into forums. And then I would click on this insert image button here. Browse server, which will go directly to resources under this class. Everybody has a resources button in Laulima, so not to worry. All right. Now it's going to give a width and height. I always like to convert this to 400, and then the height would automatically be inserted. I usually insert some alternative text for folks who are visually impaired. Click OK, and there's our graph that is inserted into forums. And so, especially in the environmental econ class, I'll be asking you to make graphs, and this is exactly what you would do. Now, if you want to put it into a Microsoft Word document, click on Insert Pictures, Picture from File. There we go. It's on my desktop, and there's our image. So that's it. Hope that helps. And this is how to create a supply and demand curve document and then insert it into Laulima forums and or a word processing program like Microsoft Word. Thanks for listening. Aloha.